Hi guys, I'm Monali and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a ketogenic bread recipe. It is a very easy and a simple to make recipe. You're going to love it. It comes out perfect each time. So let's check out how I make it. Now here I'm going to take 1/4 cup of almond flour. To this I'm going to add in 5 tablespoons of Psyllium Husk or Isabghol. You get it in any Indian grocery store or you can order online. These are 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust it according to your taste. I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients first and then I'm going to add in the wet ingredients. Now this is 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. You can also use any distilled white vinegar as well. It's going to help it rise. Now these are 3 egg whites. I'm using a ready egg whites from Costco. So it's approximately half a cup. That goes in. Now I'm going to give it a good mix. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add in 1 cup of hot water. Hot water is important as it soaks better. Now it's going to look a little runny, but after some time the psyllium husk is going to absorb all the water. I'm going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes covered. Cover it and keep it for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes it's going to form like a dough consistency. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to form portions. This is going to make it even. So about 1/4 cup of almond flour is going to give me 6 to 7 dinner rolls. I'm going to preheat my oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Fahrenheit, Celsius, sorry. And I'm going to bake it for 55 minutes. Now after 55 minutes, it's going to get a beautiful golden color. They're a little damp, so I'm going to keep it on a cooling rack. After about say 10 minutes or so, they are going to be dry and beautiful color. I'm going to cut it open and show it to you. It's got a beautiful consistency, a typical bread consistency which we are looking for. There you go. And now I'm going to put in some butter on this warm roll. Nothing like it. You can even add cream cheese, you can put jam, whatever you prefer. I'm going to put butter and I'm going to put a slice of cheese. And this is going to, I'm sure it will taste delicious. I'm going to take a bite of this. Oh wow, this is really delicious. You must try this. So you saw how simple and easy this recipe was. Definitely give it a try. I'm sure you're going to love it and you're going to keep making it again and again. So if you've liked this recipe, definitely share my recipe with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. There is a new recipe each week. So thank you and thanks for watching.